quality score. Quality score is incredibly important in paid search. Quality index is what Microsoft calls it. It essentially is what they use to balance the search ecosystem among the three interested parties. Those parties are users, advertisers, and the search engine. A higher quality score typically means that you're going to pay a lower CPC and you're going to enjoy a higher position in the ad ranking. And quality score is measured in quality index on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. So what influences the quality score? These are some of the factors. Click-through rate, ad relevancy, how relevant your text ad is for the given search query, how relevant your keyword is, the landing page quality, and this could be things like, is it rich in HTML content? Does it have a fast load time? Historical performance, and then various other factors. So what does quality score influence? 1, eligibility. Will your ad even trigger for a particular keyword query? 2, price, as I said. What CPC will you pay? What position will you be? And then 3rd, whether or not you appear above the organic results. So in this example, the top in the lightly shaded pink box, cars for sale, appears above the organic results. This is very likely because this ad has a very high quality score. Conversely, if you look at these ads on the right below the map, they most likely have a lower quality score. So only the engines know this. They know the formula. They don't disclose whether or not you appear above or below. But that's something to keep in mind. And finally, you can still do all the things right for quality score and not have a perfect quality score. These are just some of the things that you can do to help improve your quality scores, though. Again, organization of the account. The more tightly and better it's organized, the more relevant it's likely to be. Relevant keywords, having straightforward language with targeted ads that match up, that are very congruent. And then, again, relevant landing page, rich with HTML. At the end of the day, the perfect paid search campaigns have queries that very seamlessly flow to the text ad, very seamlessly flow to the landing page, and create a funnel that's ultimately what you want the user to do. Keywords and title tags, very important. You want to make sure that you're using keywords in your title tags to look up in the blue box. This is really the first marketing message that most people are likely to see. If you consider that 78% of all new visitors to a website come through search, they're most likely doing a search and they're seeing a result that looks like this. So you want to make sure your title tags are rich with relevant keyword content. Each title tag needs to be unique, and you want to, as concisely as possible, explain the page. Keep in mind that you typically have 66 characters only to get that message across. So that should be your front loading of important points, important keywords that you want to appear in that title tag. You want to incorporate your keywords and other important site elements, and these would be things like meta tags, or more specifically, a meta description. So you want to have a unique description on, and keep in mind, this will get truncated most likely after 160 characters. So again, front load that content so you're getting the important information, the relevant keywords right there up front. Alt image attributes, if you're using images on your site, you want to use both an alt attribute, an alt image attribute, and you want to name the file something that is keyword relevant. So not have an image that's titled image dot, image 1001 dot, JPEG. You want to name it specifically, to match the content and the keywords that you're looking to rank for. Keyword-friendly URLs. Again, whenever possible, use keywords in your URLs. Use the type of language that your users use. Get away from the corporate jargon. Use a clear heading structure. So on your page, and give the search engines sort of a better understanding of the content, put your most relevant, or most important, your heading content in H1 tags. Okay? And then you go down the flow. You don't want to overuse the H1 tags though. Anchor text. If you're linking internally from one page of your site to another, you want to include rich, relevant anchor text. And then again, there really is no substitution for relevant HTML content. That really is the best SEO strategy. If you want good SEO and good organic rankings, have rich, relevant content that you update frequently.